this here. Hey you guys, so we back with another hair review. And y'all can see, and y'all see by the title, gorgeous hair. Always keeping me laced. Okay, so look. This is like a different type of review, but I'm doing it, right? So I wore the hair, styled the hair, cut the bang. Cause the bang, it wasn't bad. Ooh, is my flat iron still hot? The bang wasn't bad. It was, hold on, y'all, cause this is bothering me. Turn my flat iron back on. It wasn't as choppy as this. I wanted to go for like a choppy look. I felt like it was straight across. I can't remember. I'll put like, yeah. I'll actually put I'll insert a clip, like a video or a photo, a picture. So I'll insert that now. Okay, so I like, cause I like a little choppy looks. You feel me? And then I like my eyebrows to still peek through. You feel me? Cause I'm not used to the bang look. Let me stop. Let me turn this flat iron off because I don't even want to start looking at pieces and then I'm gonna just no. But okay, so about this hair. First of all, where's my comb? Very, 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 very nice. Look at this. This here, as you see in the intro, you do not really have to throw the flat iron on it that much. Like, honestly, I literally 2 passes and it's good on the section that you want to do it. And this is like a yaki texture. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's like a yaki texture. And I like it because it matches my hair when I straighten it. My hair is like this. So I like it. And I also like, that's why I never like to wear bang wigs, because it got that little wiggy part right there. We all know what that part is. Don't even do that. But, bam. You getting straight scalp, boo. Can y'all see it? Am I in frame? Am I in frame with the scalp? Yeah. Yeah. Just in case a hater be like, it's cute, but like, it's probably a leg. So scalp. Where you see a wig at? Oh, okay. So that's like my favorite part. And this hair is just, it's so flowy. Like, so flowy. When I was out and about, I was like worrying about, do I gotta keep combing it? No. When the wind blow, it goes back to the normal, feel me? But yeah, I like to keep my reviews really quick and fast, but I just wanted y'all to get into this gorgeous hair, okay? Like, always keeping your girl lace gorgeous hair. And y'all know I like this box, so don't do me. But yeah, so in the box, you get your normal bands. I'll put it down below if I don't say everything now, but it's like a wig band, the band. You get a edge brush. I'm not looking in there because I already took it out. You get wig caps, you get gifts. You get a lot of gifts. So I'm not going to tell you all of the gifts that you get inside the box because you need to purchase it and get the gifts. Duh. Come on. That's like extra gifts. You already getting a wig, which is happen. And then you get extra gifts, free gifts. Who don't like free gifts? I love free gifts. That's my little secret. I love free gifts. But okay, so there is a code. Y'all know I got a code for y'all. So I don't even know why you right there, you asked. Don't even do that. You know I always got a code. Don't quote me, but I got one now. This code for this right here. It is down here. Right here. I'll wait. I'll let y'all screenshot it. And it's active, so don't do me. I checked. Okay, you guys. So that is gorgeous hair. And I just want to come and show y'all this gorgeous hair. Pun intended. Like, come on, son. I shaped my bang to I cut my bang to shape my face. See? Before it wasn't given that. And if you cut it too much, just pull that bitch down. Don't stress life. Life be tripping. Life be lifing, so don't stress it. Okay? But yes, this is... I will put everything down below because I don't want to hack nothing. Like, I've had this wig for... I want to say 3-4 months I had this wig. And I've worn this wig. Like, I've worn her. Okay? And she don't even get nappy under the neck. Like, you know, in the nape of in the back, it usually get like a little rat nest. And you gotta, no. I was surprised. But anyway, my quick review that I always want to give you guys. And I'm always raw and always honest. Because you know I gotta be honest with my babies. Okay? Because y'all might just come to me just for the information. And if I'm lying to y'all, that is not nice. So, you know, I'm always honest. I love this hair. Now, if they got this hair in like a lace front, don't talk to me. Just don't talk to me about 5 minutes. Don't talk to me about 5 minutes. But I think this makes me like a little, like, I don't know, I'm chatting right now. But I like it. It's different. I like it. I like how flowy it is. I'm not going to dye it because I like a short black look. Short black cut. Because I don't think I have any, actually. Do I? I do, but no, they got a little color in it. So, it's given not the bang. The bang. Oh. Okay, y'all. I had y'all long enough. I'm sorry. I haven't been here so long, so I'm just happy to see you guys. I love you. Okay. Gorgius hair. Don't forget to shop them. Tell them I sent you. Okay? You're going to get your discount. You're going to get your money off. Because who don't like money off? I do. Okay, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, hit that notification bell. And I'll see you next time. Bye.